everyone and welcome back to my channel. It has been a while and I'm very sorry for that, but I'm happy to be back and filming again. As you guys already know by the title of this video, today I'm going to be doing my BoxyCharm unboxing. This is the June box and I know I'm only posting this in July, but like I said, it's been a crazy July. So because there was no skincare or primer product in this month's box, I've already done my foundation and I've set it already. So we will just be then carrying on with the rest of the box, and if there's something I need to do, obviously I will just do it like that. Okay, when you open the box, ooh, the first thing is obviously the insert card. We got really cool products this month, I'm not even gonna lie. But this month's theme was Caribbean Queen, which is super cute, and honestly all the products in here give me that like whole Caribbean vibe. Let's just get on with the box. The next item is I'm going to take this brush set. So this is the 3 brushes. They are such a pretty pink. Okay, so the first one is the Precision Foundation Face Brush 660. With less bristle density, this brush is perfect for applying both powder and liquid foundations to create a soft diffused makeup look. That's pretty nice because it's very soft, I won't lie. Probably for foundation I like to use a beauty blender, so I probably won't use this for that, but this is really nice for those powders under your eye. I suggest it for that. Oh, actually, yeah. Well, I like it for that. We'll see what I use it for. The next one is the Tapered Highlighting Face Brush 522. This fluffy tapered brush allows you to seamlessly apply your favorite powder highlighter to the high points of your face or set your under eye makeup. The Duo Fibre Powder Brush 516. Use this ultra soft Duo Fibre brush to apply cream or powder makeup for a softer, flawless finish. These brushes are all handcrafted makeup brushes with high quality, soft synthetic bristles using hyperallergenic, vegan and cruelty-free materials. And these brushes are very soft and I cannot stop playing with them. But let's see what I can do with one of them. We're going to come back to these 2 brushes because I like to finish my face after I've done my eyes. So I'm going to just put some powder under my eyes so that it can bake, and then we're gonna do the next product in the box. Okay, so now that I look like a crazy person, I'm going to just carry on with the box and let's look what's next. Okay, so the next item in the box is, okay, we're gonna look at this. So this is the Sol de Janeiro. This is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I watched an advert of theirs because everyone that was saying like it's not Bum Bum, it's Bom Bom. It really is Bom Bom. They call it their Bom Bom Cream, which is different, I guess. So actually this is the Brazilian Bom Bom Cream. Brazilian Bum Bum Cream is inspired by the Brazilians' favorite feature, the Bum Bum. It's creamy and rich in guarana, a native Amazonian plant whose fruit contains one of the most potent forms of caffeine. The fast absorbing texture contains just enough mica to add a perfect Brazilian glow, as the formula helps your body look and feel its smoothest and tightest. Pistachio caramel. Could it be any yummier? Oh my gosh. I could literally smell this all day. Oh, what is cool, what I saw about this, is that we do get a voucher for this. 20% off when you spend $50 or more. You get a little coupon at the back of your BoxyCharm leaflet, which is cool. BoxyCharm's always hooking us up with cool products and discounts. The next product in the box is going to be this guy. You guys, are those colors not the prettiest colors? This is the Alamar de Caribe palette. This palette features 8 highly opaque shades reminiscent of the beauty and culture of Cuba. Dive into the pigments and pulls found in the intense metallics or ground your look with the warm richness of the creamy mattes. For a more intense application, refer to the shade names that feature a water droplet that can be used with a wet brush, and the sun symbol for application with a dry brush. This is freaking cute.
Let's start by correcting it all. Know what you think that I'll be coming at me with her sending the meters of the day wrong. And what makes it worse, you don't even have a nerve to ever say that you're sorry. You never wrong and I'm never right, and you
my Luxie Precision Foundation brush and just dust away. And then I'm going to pick up my Luxie Duo Fibre brush in 516 and Bobbi Brown in the shade Nectar. I'm going to be using La Costa on my Luxie 522 Tapered highlighter brush and just popping that on my cheekbones, and then I'm also going to be putting La Costa in my inner corner of my eye. So La Costa as a highlighter is beautiful. It gives you that like glow from within, but it's super buildable. So if you do want it a bit more dramatic, but it doesn't look too glittery on your face. It literally looks like just a glow. Guys, this is pretty. I love it. The next item in the box that we're going to be using is the lashes. The 3D multi-layered Battington Monroe silk lashes enhance your look with moderate length, adding volume and length to your lashes. They're handmade with 100% silk and impressive durability, allowing up to 25 applications with proper care. I think this is the most expensive lashes that I own currently. So I'm going to put the lashes on off camera. I get very nervous to put them on camera, so I'll do them off camera. I'm not going to be putting mascara on. I will brush them in with a spoolie just so that they blend with my natural lashes, and using like the smallest amount of glue. I don't want to mess these lashes up. They're so expensive. Okay, so let me quickly just do that and I'll be back. Okay, so my lashes are on and all sorted. This band is so thick and nice. It's not a bad thickness, that it makes you look like you have eyeliner on it as well. Quite like it. The next item in the box, and second last, is this eyeliner. This eyeliner is by Jonteblu. Oh, it's a waterproof. Oh, I don't like waterproofs. 100% vegan waterproof eyeliner pencil, glides on smooth. For an elevated eye look, use along the upper lash line or waterline. Okay, so seeing as I don't need to put on the upper lash line because it looks like I've got, I'm going to be using this on my bottom lash line. Okay, this is in shade Charcoal. It's not that difficult to get off. Usually waterproof eyeliners, in my opinion, it's difficult for me to get it onto my eyes. Once it's there, it's awesome because it stays, but I struggle my off to get this on. But I didn't struggle that. That was quite easy. The last item in the box is the lippy. This is Girlatik. I know that they've put some of these products in, well, Girlatik, the brand, in some of their past boxes, but I personally have never had a Girlatik anything. I know that this is quite a big brand overseas. So this is the Girlatik Lip Paint. Apply this richly pigmented lip paint onto your lips, and within 1 minute it will dry down to a beautifully matte color that will be noticeably dramatic without the dryness or flaking. I'm not going to use a lip liner because I didn't get a lip liner in the box this month, so I just want to check the natural state of this lippy. Is color pretty? I don't know if it's going to match my look today, but we're going to look. That's all good.
You're selfish.
So that is everything out of this month's box. I like the lippy. I don't think that it goes very well with this look. I think I would have gone for, actually I don't know what color, I think more of a brownie color, but it's a very nice color. If you guys like this makeup look I did and you like the eyes, give this video a like. If you're new to my channel, please hit a subscribe button down below, and yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.